Here's one of the major dilemmas in business. Customers want to pay less, but employees want to be paid more. That's enough to make an entrepreneur kill himself. The pressures on both sides. That's too much. They constantly want to negotiate with you. What does your wiring do in a case like this? What does your wiring do? Your wiring may be to the point, Heather, where you're an empathetic person. You're an empath. And you're feeling for that person at the register who don't have enough money. And you're like, okay. And then you give it to them for cheaper. And then you feel for the employee that comes with the sob story. Lights about to be cut off. They need more money. They need more overtime. They're not going to add more value to your business. They're not showing up with more skills. They're just saying, look, let's give me more anyway. And you got to look them in the eye. And you're like, oh, okay. And you do it. Now people paying you less. You're paying people more. And then we got problems. In economics, it's called market failure. The money stops, it freezes up. And now you got a problem. You hear people, they would put that pressure. This is blackpreneurship stuff. They would put that pressure on you that they wouldn't put on Jeff Bezos. They wouldn't put it on the Waltons for Walmart. They wouldn't put that same pressure on them. They're working for $8, $9 an hour at Walmart, billion-dollar company, largest retailer in the world. But if you're a little small business, all this money you make, and you can't pay me more?
This is church. This is church. I didn't know it was on Monday nights.
Offering pay coming.
And I gave my 10% yesterday.
No, we need more percent. See what I'm saying? She won't pay less.
Amen.
Tithe is king.
She won't pay less.
Hallelujah.
You understand what I'm saying? I want y'all to understand something. This is all part of the wiring. There's wiring in us, there's wiring in our people, there's wiring in our employees, customers, the whole nine. That has to be reshaped.
Yeah.
But your wiring has to be able to fight off and navigate successfully what these people bring to your business's doorstep. Because your business is an economic machine. I want you to understand that. You put a business together, government loves it. They want to see more businesses, they want to see more jobs, the business is there. When you're building the building, let's just say it's brand new or whatever, people start looking at it like, okay. And it's an economic, it's like it's like in the jungle when they have the watering hole, right? That's where the resources are, the water, the green trees, the land, whatever. And everyone's coming there to get their fix. Everyone's coming in to take from it. But then you have some predators lurking around. Bambi better watch out. You got a pack of wild dogs. You got some hyenas. You got some buffalo. But everybody needs to come right here to get their nutrients. That's your business. Your business is the spot that people show up for their nutrients. Whether it's a customer or as an employee, they're all showing up to extract something from it. And if you don't have the wiring to safely protect it, they will just rape it.
Wow.
The employee's gonna rape it, the customer's gonna rape it. So you also have to be a person that can handle criticism. And social media has made it worse. Because you got some people who are out there putting out criticism that is not justified.
Yes.
You've given a voice to some people who should not have a voice box.
Amen.
Can your wiring handle the people that will show up? I want more money. I want more product. You don't do a good job at your business. Your business ain't all of that. You think you cute. You think you smart. All this gonna happen. What are you gonna do? What type of wiring do you have? Now, you can test your wiring based on how you respond to friends and family. Because we got haters in our family.
Help us on today, Father.
How do you respond to them? Oh, but that's my cousin. That's my blood cousin.
Bye, Elisha.
That's my first cousin. We share grandmamas. My granny's their granny. So I just gotta live with. Is that how you handle it? I'm telling you right now, it's very, very difficult. Okay, I need two people.